Hello, we have made a project on vaccination monitoring, and this is the apparatus as you can see over here. We have used a Raspberry Pi, and this is the light sensor. You can see the LDR over here, and we have an accelerometer over here and a temperature sensor over here. Now, the main thing is that whenever a vaccine is exposed to extra light, or if there is no proper orientation, or if there is a high temperature, then the vaccine might be subjected to damage. So first of all, I'd like to show you the orientation of our box. See, this is how our vaccination box looks like. Okay, and this is connected to an accelerometer, so that whenever I rotate the accelerometer, okay, start mode. Okay. This is the initial orientation of our accelerometer. You can see that this is horizontal, and whenever this goes like vertical, there is a clear indication that the vaccine spillage may occur. That's the reason why we have used the accelerometer to ensure that there is no vaccine spillage. Now first of all, let me take you to the light sensor and its uses. Initially, you can see in the desktop that all the three values, that is the value of the accelerometer, the temperature, as well as the intensity of the light, is being sent into the cloud. And whenever there is a problem with any of the three values, like if it goes beyond the range, then we will get an email notification. For example, initially you can see that there's no problem with the light. Now let me put some extra light on the light sensor. Now you can see that the value of the light has gone to 10,000. Since that is much more of light, we will get a notification. Now you can see that I have got the notification that the light intensity is very high, so that I can take any further steps to prevent such light exposure. Now let us go to the accelerometer. Initially we know that in any box the configuration of the accelerometer should be horizontal. Now let me run the program. Okay. Now, since the configuration of the accelerometer is horizontal, there won't be any problem. But whenever I turn it as into vertical, you can see that the value of the accelerometer goes beyond 20, and our range was about 10. So we will get an email notification saying that there is a problem with the configuration of a vaccination monitoring box. Now you can see the message that the box is not in the right orientation, which means that there was a problem and there might be a possibility of spillage of the vaccine. Thirdly, we have the temperature sensor, and if the temperature increases above the given range, then it should notify us. Now I'm going to heat up this temperature sensor. Now you can see that the temperature has gone above 53, which means that we will be getting an email saying that the temperature has increased above the given limit and there is a problem for the vaccine. Now you can see that all the data we have pushed are there in the cloud as below. And this is the carriers.com, which is the cloud platform which we have used to push all the data into the cloud. This is a platform as a service cloud software where we use the data to do any kind of data analysis. There are many data analysis tools over here which can use to analyze the data which we have obtained. This is the basic app which we'll be using. You can see the message response OK over here. This means that the longitude and latitude of the workers who are carrying the mobile will be sent to the cloud, and from the cloud the administrator can retrieve these values and a map will be plotted at his side to ensure that each and every worker has covered all the doors and all the houses that were allotted to him. This is the app which we'll be using over here. This is the application which we'll be using at the administrator side. As you can see over here, that we have home, temperature, light, accelerometer, track location and send location. So home will be getting the first initial page. In temperature, we'll be getting all the temperature values that were sent into the cloud. The light will give us the intensity of the light that was sent to the cloud, and the accelerometer will help us ensure that the box was in the right orientation. Now here our main one is track location, which will give us the location of the all the volunteers, so that we can ensure that they have covered all the ground, and send location will send our location to the volunteers.